Hello everyone, welcome back to Explain Cat. In this video we will know about offset identities. So first of all, select plane, front plane, sketch, normal. For offset identities we will draw some rectangles. So I draw corner rectangles. Right click, select option. From here we will select offset identities tool. First is add dimension. At here just put any dimension 15 mm and then select this line, this line, this line, this line. Check mark. At 15 mm we draw a small rectangle that is offset at 15 mm from each side from it. Okay. Again offset identities. Select this rectangle lines. Here is it reverse. If we press select reverse, it will goes outside to rectangle and create a offset identities outward. Select OK. See here 15 mm outside. Again offset. Select chain. In select chain, all rectangle will be selected at one time. In bi-direction, both inside and outside offset will be created. Okay. Just drag it towards downward. Gain offset identities. Select this and check bi-direction. Construction geometry. If we select base geometry as construction, our base rectangle will be construction geometry, the center line rectangle. We can also select construction geometry as offset. And this offset will be construction rectangle. Thanks for watching.